Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to use your binoculars on Red Dead Redemption 2. So at first, all you have to do is just hold the tab button. And while holding the tab button, switch it to items pressing R. And your binoculars can be found right here at this section. And after you see it, just select it and release the tab button to use it. So again, to use it, all you have to do is just hold the right mouse button like this, and you can zoom in or also zoom out. So guys, that's how you use your binoculars in Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.